Good morning. So today we are going to review how to enable RSVP functionality for your events, and then how to go in and customize your RSVP forms. So we are going to start by navigating to the dashboard on AddEvent.com. I'm already signed into my account. So we go to the dashboard. I'm going to start by creating an event, adding my event title. Just say my event. I'm going to go ahead and use the preset, dates and times. Obviously, we can change these. And then I'm going to go ahead and click this RSVP box. So what this is doing is it's enabling RSVP for your event. And you can see right here, it's using the standard RSVP form sort of as default, but then here's a drop-down menu of other custom RSVP forms that have been built in the past. And we'll show you a little bit later on how to edit those, customize those further, or create new custom RSVP forms. So you can enter your event description and other information. We're going to go ahead and click create. And once you create an event, you're taken to the event page. And so here, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the RSVP and settings section. And within this section, you can see who is RSVP'd for your events, the number of seats that are available, change these settings, notification settings on when you're notified when people RSVP for your event, etc. So you'll see here in the bottom left-hand corner this custom RSVP forms button. If you click this, we'll go ahead and do that. This is the custom RSVP form setting. So here you'll be able to see all the custom RSVP forms that you've created. You can go in, manage these, edit them, delete them, whatever you'd like. But you can also create new RSVP forms here. So that's what we're going to do now. So when you click the new form button, you're taken to this custom RSVP form page. And we can go ahead and title this. So we're going to call this the soda RSVP form. Go ahead and save that. And down here, we can edit the information that we would like to collect from our users in the RSVP form. So you can see that name and email are the defaults. So we can remove those. I think those are great. So we're going to leave those for now. But we want to add a custom field. So this is the field text is going to be the actual question you want to ask. So we're going to say, what is your favorite soda? And then this field is what type of input you want from your users. So I want them to type their favorite soda. So this is just going to be a text input. If I was asking, how many people are you RSVPing for instance, I would want a number input. So we're going to go ahead and do text input and save this. And now it's good to go. I can just go ahead and save this and use this RSVP form. And when you share your event and users click that link and go to that landing page, they'll be prompted to enter information for these 3 questions before they'll be presented with an add to calendar button to add your event to their calendar. You can do some further customization down below. We have automated messages and reminders built in. So there's a few things that you can do here. One, when someone RSVPs, we automatically send a confirmation email. So when they RSVP for your event, they'll get a confirmation email that they have RSVP'd, and this is completely customizable. So just to note, this does require knowledge of HTML. So we just want you to be aware of that before getting into this section. But you can completely customize the appearance of the email, the text, font, absolutely everything, right? So this is all the HTML that you can edit. And you can save it and send a test email. Then there are further notifications. So one is a reminder email, and you can, again, choose when this is sent before the event takes place. Totally customizable. You can choose what the email says. And then we actually have a second reminder email. The default for this one is 1 day before the event takes place. And the default for this is 2 hours before the event takes place. So this basically gives you 2 options. So maybe you want to send a reminder a few days beforehand and then a reminder an hour beforehand, just to make sure people don't miss the event. So in addition to these reminder emails, you can update attendees when your event is updated. So if you change the location or some of the details, something like that, this will automatically send your attendees who have RSVP'd an email notifying them of the changes. And again, this is completely customizable. So, you can make whatever changes you would like, hit save. And then down below, we just more go into data tags, the different parameters, things you can edit, etc., and kind of guide you through that template programming. But that's pretty much it. So once you finish this customization, you can go ahead and hit save. go back to templates, hit back again, and here's my event. So now if we want to use that custom RSVP template for my event, we're going to go to More Actions. We're going to go to Edit. We're going to go to this drop-down list of RSVP forms, and now we'll see that SODA RSVP form has appeared here. So now we can select it. We're going to go ahead and save this. So if we go to the event page, it'll take us here, voila, my event, just like we created. I'm going to go ahead and register. And here you can see I need to fill out my name, my email address, and my favorite soda. So when I go ahead and register, I'll go ahead and do that real quick. What's my favorite soda? We'll say root beer. I don't know if that's one word or two, but we'll go ahead and register. So I am now I'll be receiving a confirmation email, and now the Add to Calendar button has appeared, so I can go ahead and add this to my Google Calendar. So that's how you enable RSVP form, you customize your RSVP forms, and this is what it's going to look like for your users in the end.